What happens after removing someone from a WhatsApp group? In this video, I'm going to show you what actually happens if someone has been removed from a WhatsApp group or if someone removed you from a WhatsApp group. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you learn how to do it or what actually happens. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp and then tap on any group chat of WhatsApp. As you can see that I have removed a particular person from this group, so make sure that only the admins will be able to remove the peoples from any WhatsApp group. So when this person has been removed, all group members, including the person who was removed, receive a notification in the chat that states you removed someone, that is the contact name. And the second thing, what happens is actually the removed person will have no longer access to the group chat. They can send or receive messages, see the group members, or view the group's chat history from the moment they are removed. So, if they are the admin before on the group, they will also be removed from the group admin and they will lose their admin status. If they are re-added to the group later, they will not automatically regain their admin status until a current admin promotes them again. And the removed person can still send direct messages to the group members unless they are individually blocked. So these are the primary effects of removing someone from a group chat or WhatsApp group. The process ensures that the removed person is fully disconnected from the ongoing group interactions while retaining their access to past interactions. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.